Alright guys, we're going to do a stihl 021 chainsaw today. Let's see, I got the kit right here. It's got everything you'll need in it. New filter, spark plug, carburetor. Whoop, whoop. Oh, carb's there. New gaskets, filters, everything you'll need to do this job. Throw that away. On the link below, we'll have it right there. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and take the air filter off, or air filter cover off. Then we're going to take the air filter off. Just a little clip on each side here. All right, what's going on here? Let me get my sunglasses off. I can see, yeah, there's a little clip on each side. Just pop them off. No big deal. All right, 2 hands. You know, I think that was meant to stay on. I'm looking at this one and it's still on there. Whatever. 8mm, pop those two out. Gates off, pull this right on out. Pull this out a little bit and get this guy off of here. That's the issue right there. Look at that. Dry rotted fuel line. Probably all this needs, but the whole kit for this thing's only 15 bucks. So what's the customer gonna save? 10 of it if I only put the fuel line on? I'm going to go ahead and do it all. I'm going to go ahead and pull this fuel line off here. Try to. It might just break off. Here, I need 2 hands. We got the throttle arm. We're just going to pull it up, unclip it. And that's just twisted right in there. Just hooks right into that hole on the back side. That's out of the way. I think this, how do I do that? There's a special way for doing that in there. Yeah, come on, get this thing out of my way. Yeah, so I put this up to here and then throttle this up, and it looks like this will slide right out of that slot. Once you do that, slid right out of that slot, no problem. Alright, now carburetor should, in theory, straight back out. Yes. Nice. Okay, this is where it gets fun, huh? I wonder if I can remove this plastic cover to get down in here. No, because that's going to be all kinds of extra shit in it. Yeah, it's going to be all kinds of extra shit. Alright, so we're going to reach in here. We're going to try to pop. You know what? First, drain out all the gas. We're going to reach in here and try to pop this out. Yeah, pop right out. Nice. Just get it past there, get it all out. Filter, I think I'm going to have to just pull on that and the filter will come down back through the gas tank. Alright, so new one's going to go in. We're going to get it all the way down in and stabbed into place. Just get it jammed right on down in there and stab it into the place. So you guys know I got it back. I pushed it down and I went too far to push it in. I had to pull it back out. But it looks like the flat side is going to aim that way on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try one more time to get back in there. Once you've got it in there, reach down in with needle nose, grab it, and stab the fuel filter on it. Just so you guys know, I went to put it down in there again and it pushed through again. So this time I put pressure on it, pulling it this way, and then worked from the inside with a screwdriver and slowly got it to pop back that way. It's freaking retarded, but it worked. Alright, filter's in there. We're golden, ready to go. Alright, new carburetor. Get that in on back. There we go. Put this in. See, the choke arm is going to go to this side. Throttle arm is going to go that side, like that. Dab it on. Wait a minute. Is there no gasket? There's something missing. Yes, it's supposed to be a gasket. Gasket first, guys. Gotta have that. Or it'll suck air and run lean if it runs at all. Get that gasket down in there. Just hold the fuel line down out of the way, push the carburetor on, keep the line out of the way. If it starts bundling up, you just gotta pull on it and get it out. There we go. We're gonna run with needle nose, we're gonna pull this fuel line around and push it right onto that nipple. This guy here, going to slide it back in that hole, and we're going to throttle this up and line these two up. I'm going to need to use both hands, but you can hold this throttle open like that, and then you line that up, that guy up to it, and push it right in. That. All right, throttle arm. I'm going to go right on in like this, curl it over, and in the very back, see if I can see it. It's hard to see it and do it at the same time. It's going to just hook right in like that. And then we're going to line that up to the throttle, and we're going to push it down into it and make it click into place. Okay, now we're going to take the new air filter assembly, stick it on there like that, and then the two 8mm, we're going to put them there and there, tighten them down. Pull the vent set lines out. This is missing its vent line, so we're going to stab that side goes on that. I think this side goes on that. Nope, this side goes on that. We're going to stab that. No, it's definitely this side right here, because it's bigger. This one isn't. We're going to stab this down onto here. Some needle nose pliers. We're going to take this vent and we're going to stab it onto this. Into the corner there. That's all looking good so far. This will go right back on here. Like that. I have to go buy 2 cycle. I'm out. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the carburetor kit that's in the description that I got off of Amazon. They work great. So, if you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.